ACHR Aviation has unveiled its all-new eVTOL production aircraft named the Midnight. This pilot plus 4-passenger electric vehicle takeoff and landing aircraft was premiered at an open house event in Palo Alto, California. The company says that the new Midnight aircraft represents the evolution of ACHR's demonstrator eVTOL aircraft, the maker, which has validated proprietary 12-tilt-6 configuration and key enabling technologies. The new Midnight model is expected to have a payload of over 1,000 pounds and carry 4 passengers plus a pilot. It will also be optimized for back-to-back short-distance trips of 20 miles, with a charging time of approximately 10 minutes in between. ACHR says is working to certify its new Midnight model with the FAA by late 2024 and launch in 2025. Adam Goldstein, ACHR's founder and CEO, stated, "From day one, ACHR's strategy has always been about finding the most efficient path to commercializing eVTOL aircraft. We believe our strategy and team's ability to execute on it has allowed us to establish our leadership position in the market, and is why we are confident we will be the first company to certify an eVTOL aircraft in the U.S. with the FAA. ACHR Aviation is designing and developing electric vertical takeoff and landing aircrafts for use in urban air mobility networks. The company's mission is to unlock the skies, freeing everyone to reimagine how they move and spend time." Shares of ACHR Aviation trade on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol ACHR. For more information, visit greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.